Well, when we first came to Cambodia, it was just Tim and I. And because we knew when we first got married that God was calling us to mission, we decided that we were going to wait until our first term was over to have children. So we waited 7 years before we had kids. And the first 2.5 years, we could focus on language, focus on learning how to live in Cambodia and do ministry here. And then we went home for 6 months, and we came back with little Katie at 6 months old. And we were here for 2.5 more years with her. And then we went back and had Johnny and brought him back. And so we have learned to be parents in Cambodia. Not everyone has that opportunity, and that was a blessing because we really relied on the Cambodians to help us parent in many ways. And so that was helpful because we raised our children here. This is home to them, and this is what they know. So they don't miss a lot of things that there are in America. We didn't have to take them out of school, or even their family. The first memory they have of their grandparents is when they were 3, which is difficult, but also their family is in Cambodia just as much as it is in America as well. And so in some ways that has been easier for raising children because this is their home. But it is difficult because they do look different, and they do receive a lot more attention, and they get picked on a lot more because they're different and they don't understand the language, and that's difficult at times. But just we talk them through that, and they know why we're here. They know God has called us, and they know God is helping us. And they always ask, when are people going to come and help us to tell the Cambodians about who Jesus is? And so they know that's why we're here. And that, I wouldn't trade that for anything.